Hi, if you're having trouble with could not recovery error when recovering Windows 11, 10, 7, whatever version, you can come to the Microsoft official site, and under Windows 11 in software downloads, you have an option here to create Windows 11 installation media. So, what you need to do is download this file. We'll put it in downloads. And then you want to get a USB drive. I currently don't have one, but let's just pretend this is my USB drive here. You would go to your USB drive, you would just grab this file, you would Control X to cut it, and then go to your USB drive and then paste it in there. And then if you run this file, it will make your USB drive a new bootable device for Windows. So when you start your computer with that USB drive after you've ran this program on it, then Windows will reboot from that USB drive. So you can just simply make your USB drive a bootable drive from a friend's computer or something if your computer is completely not working or you're getting constant errors, and then just reboot your whole computer and reinstall Windows completely to solve that error. There you go.